Imagine a world where sprawling green farms float on the surface of our city's rivers and coastlines. It sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you this vision is not only possible but is already being developed, inspired by ancient wisdom and driven by modern science? This is the story of floating gardens, a revolutionary solution to some of our planet's biggest challenges.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
As our cities expand and sea levels rise, we're running out of two crucial resources: land for farming and space for nature. But what if we look to the vast, untapped surfaces of our waterways? Floating gardens are more than just pretty installations. They are high-tech, self-sustaining ecosystems designed to thrive on water. Think of them as a blend of advanced hydroponics, smart architecture, and ecological restoration, all in one. The idea isn't entirely new. Centuries ago, the Aztecs built incredible floating farms called chinampas on the lakes of the Valley of Mexico. These were highly productive agricultural islands that fed a massive population. Today, we're reviving this concept with a 21st century upgrade. Instead of mud and reeds, modern floating gardens use buoyant modular platforms made from sustainable materials. These structures can support a wide variety of crops, from leafy greens and herbs to fruiting vegetables like tomatoes and peppers. So, how do they work? The magic lies in integrating agriculture with the aquatic environment. Plants can be grown hydroponically, with their roots drawing nutrients directly from the water below. This process does something amazing. As the plants feed, they naturally filter and purify the water, removing pollutants and excess nutrients that can harm aquatic life. It's a powerful, self-reinforcing cycle. The plants clean the water, and the clean water helps the plants grow. The benefits don't stop there. In our concrete jungles, cities suffer from the urban heat island effect, where temperatures are significantly higher than in surrounding rural areas. A network of floating gardens could act as a natural air conditioner. Through a process called evapotranspiration, the plants release water vapor into the air, creating a cooling microclimate that makes our cities more livable. Imagine strolling along a riverfront cooled by lush, floating vegetation. And what about rising sea levels? For coastal communities and island nations, this is an existential threat. Floating gardens offer a form of climate adaptation. Instead of retreating from the water, we can learn to live with it. These platforms can rise and fall with the tides and changing water levels, ensuring that food production can continue even in flood-prone areas. They can also act as natural breakwaters, absorbing wave energy and protecting shorelines from erosion. Researchers at institutions like the FAO and MIT are already exploring these possibilities. Their studies confirm that floating gardens can significantly improve water quality, boost biodiversity by creating habitats for fish and insects, and provide a reliable source of fresh local food. In land-scarce cities like Singapore or Amsterdam, pilot projects are already demonstrating the viability of urban water farming. This isn't about replacing traditional agriculture but complementing it. Floating gardens are perfect for producing fresh produce right where people live, drastically cutting down on food miles and the carbon footprint associated with transportation. This localized approach strengthens food security, giving communities direct access to nutritious, sustainably grown food. The future of our cities could be greener, cooler, and more resilient, all thanks to these innovative aquatic farms. It's a future where technology and nature work in harmony, where our waterways are transformed from neglected spaces into vibrant centers of life and production. The floating gardens of the future are a testament to human ingenuity, showing us that sometimes the most profound solutions are waiting for us right on the surface. Thanks so much for watching. If you're as excited about this green future as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos exploring the incredible science shaping our world.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.